subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
OnePlus launched its new flagship phone in China called OnePlus 12, and it is the successor of the OnePlus 11 smartphone that was launched back in January this year. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The OnePlus 12 features a tall 6.82-inch Quad HD Plus LTPO curved OLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 4,500 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10 Plus certified, and it has Dolby Vision technology for better viewing experience. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 750 GPU. The smartphone packs with 12, 16, or 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256, 512, or 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. In terms of optics, the OnePlus 12 sports a triple camera setup under circular ring at the top left corner, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with Sony Lite-808 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 64-megapixel telephoto lens, with up to 3x optical zoom support, along with the 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with 114-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 8K videos at 24 frames per second. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5,400 mAh battery, with 100 watts wired, 50 watts wireless, and 10 watts reverse wireless charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 14, based on ColorOS 14 Skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.3 by 75.8 by 9.15 millimeters, and it weighs around 220 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The OnePlus 12 has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in black, emerald green, and white color options, and it is said to go on sale starting from December 11th. So, what do you guys think of this OnePlus 12 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.